Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are continuing the collection Clover. Yesterday we worked on this pair of earrings and today we're gonna make the matching ring. And it's really dainty and very petite. So I made the white one. I'm keeping the gold. I'm just gonna make the black one today. So you're gonna need 4 Ginko leaves for it, and then 15 Miyuki seed beads, your stop bead, your needles, and then I'm gonna use gold Miyuki 5. So I'm gonna thread my needle with a yard with 1 meter and we'll get to work. So I thread my needle and put the stop bead, left the short tail to sew in later. We're gonna start with 1 Ginko and take a needle like so. Drop it down. Pick up 1 15-0 and 1 Ginko like so. Take your needle through. So this is what you have. Pick up 3 15-0s. Take it down through the second hole of the Ginko. Pick up 1 15-0 and then 1 Ginko, like so. Pick up 3 15-0s and take it down through the second hole of the Ginko. Pick up 1 15-0 and the last Ginko. Pick up 3 15-0s down the second hole of the Ginko. Pick up 1 15-0 and up here. Just ignore the stop bead, we'll get rid of it later. Pick up 3 15-0s and go down here. And up through the 15-0 and the Ginko. And make sure your thread is nice and tight. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm gonna take my needle through the 15-0s. Pick up 9 15-0s. And go through the next set of 15-0s. Pick up 9 15-0s. Go through the next set of 15-0s. Pick up 9 15-0s. Go through the next set of 15-0s. So, and the last set of 9 15-0s. And go here. This is what I have. I'm just gonna reinforce it. And now here, I'm gonna make sure I'm coming out of the 3 top beads here. we're gonna work on the band. I'm gonna pick up 350 nose, go through the 350 nose, like so, hold it in place, go back through the 350 nose. If you hold it in place with your fingers while you're pulling your thread, it means they'll stay in place. Pick up 350 nose, go through the 3 here, hold it in place, pull your needle through, so, go back up, keep your needles in place, pull your needle through, like so, pick up 3 beads, keep your beads in place, take your needle through, pull, and back through the 3 beads. I'm not reinforcing here, we will come back to it once we finish the band. So keep going until you have the required length to come back here, and you know, it depends on the width of the band you want, and then meet me back here. So I got the length I need. Now I'm going to connect this to this side. So my thread's coming out of that way, so I have to take my needle down this way. So I'm going to find the top 3 beads here. So, and then hold the band in place and take your needle back through these 3 beads. So now I'm going to reinforce. And now it's time to reinforce the band. So all I'm going to do now, go back through these 3 beads, go back through these 3, go up these 3, and all the way to the other side. So keep going until you get to the other side, and then keep going round and round. Remove the stop bead and take it round and round this 50 nose as well until it gets too tight to go through them, and then just cut them. And we're finished. So I have the white one, and now I have the black one. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. I'll leave all the materials in the description box. There will be links, there will be names of the colors, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.